In previous class, we discussed about squares and square roots. In this class, we trying to understand cubes and cube roots from class 8. We'll see, we discuss about 6.4, not 6.3. Okay. Today we'll see what is the cubes or a cubic. Let us start with a small example to understand what is a cube and what is a cube root. Okay. Suppose if I have 1, we can write 1 into 1 into 1. 1 1 jar 1, 1 1 jar 1 gives 1 cube. 1 cube is nothing but 1. By observing cubic number, a number multiplied by itself by 3 times. 1 into 1 into 1. Suppose if I take 8, we can write 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 is a product of 3 equal factors. 3 equal factors simply. So cubic number is nothing but product of 3 equal factors. Am I clear or not? Suppose m is a cubic number. This can be expressed as x into x into x, that is equals to x cube, actually. M can be expressed as some x cube where x is a some integer. Then m is called a cubic number. At the same time, the equal factor of a cubic number is called cube root of m. Am I clear or not? Suppose this is my x is a cubic number. Then x is equals to cube root of, this is the symbol, keep in mind, of m. That's all. X is the cube root of m. That is the difference between cubic number and cube root of a number. See here, a cubic number is obtained when a number is multiplied by itself for 3 times. For 3 times, very simple. A cubic number is obtained when a number is multiplied by itself for 3 times. See here, 2 into 2 into 2. A number is multiplied by itself for 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. That is nothing but 8. 8 is a cubic number and 2 is a cube root of, this is the symbol keeping cube root of 8. Similarly, we will try some 64. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 jar 16. 16 4 jar 64. See here, see. A number is multiplied by itself for 3 times. For 3 times is called a cubic number. Therefore, 64 is a cubic number. And 4 is a cube root of 64. Just the inverse of 64 is a 4. Similarly, we can see one more example. 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 27. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 is a cubic number. It contains 3 equal factors in product. Am I clear or not? So, a cubic number is obtained when a number is multiplied by itself for 3 times. Is called a cubic number. So this is also written like this. Suppose x is a number, x into x into x is equals to x cube is a cubic number. Its value something, whatever it may be. I take an m is an integer, where x is an integer. M can be expressed as x into x into x. Then M is called a cubic number. And then x is equals to cube root of M. That's it. Am I clear? Now, we are going to see some interesting pattern of cubic numbers. See, some interesting patterns of cubic numbers. Here I given a best example. See, already explained, 1 is nothing but 1 into 1 into 1, that is equals to 1 cube. Everybody knows. 1 you can take 4 times and 10 times and 20 times, even we get 1. Now coming to, I know 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on so on. These are all odd natural numbers. First I take in 1, we can write 1 cube. Now I would like to take 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 how much? 8. That is equal to, you can write 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. See? This is an interesting pattern. Now we are coming to next pattern. 7 plus 9 plus 11, that is equals to 27. We can write 3 into 3 into 3, that is equals to 3 cube. This is 2 cube, that is 1. See? What is this? It is a cubic number. It is coming from hard natural numbers. Suppose 13 after we can take 15, after 17, after 19. Okay? 13 plus 15 plus. I am going to the next pattern. After that 17 plus 19. I would like to add this plus this. 1 year adding 20, 36. Okay, 36. Next 15 plus 13. 28. Am I right? Yes, 28. Total how much? 4, 1, 6. 64. Again it is 4 cube. We already explained. So we can find some pattern that help us to understand what is cubic number. Cubic number we can write in the form of 3 plus 5 is a cubic number. 7 plus 9 plus 11. These are all odd natural numbers. These are all consecutive odd natural numbers. Here only 2 consecutive odd numbers. From the first is giving 2 cube. From the first 3 consecutive numbers after first pair, after next pair, after third pair. These are all consecutive numbers. If they are start from 13, 15, 17 and 19 gives a cubic number. Where I did it? 13, 15, 17 and 19. These are my cubic numbers. Now we'll see one more interesting pattern. This is also gives difference between 2 consecutive cubic numbers. 2 consecutive cubic numbers. Consecutive numbers means we know very well. See, 2 and 1 are consecutive numbers. 3 and 2 consecutive numbers. 4 and 5 are consecutive numbers. 4 and 3, sorry. So, okay, we'll see 2 cube minus 1 cube. We have to find 2 cube is nothing but 8. 1 cube is nothing but 1. That is equals to 8 minus 1 how much? 9. So this is we can find some other method.
7.
8 minus 1 is equals to
7.
7. Okay, clear. 7. Sorry. 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. You are adding it. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Leave it. 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. Clear. This can be expressed in easiest method. See here. Always 1 plus 2 1 yeah into 3, that's all. See here, 1 plus 2 1 yeah 2, 3 1 yeah 3, 3 into 2 6, 7 we get it. Suppose 3 cube minus 2 cube. 3 cube how much? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Can I write it down here? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Subtract it. How much? First 7 and 19 this is. Okay. We will find in some other method. We are expressing this like this. 1 always you plus it. 1 plus 2 into 3. Into 3. Always we will be multiplied in any expression. 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. 3 you can write 3 into 2, that's better. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1. We get it. Suppose if I have some consecutive cubic numbers, their difference. Suppose if I take something 5 cube minus 4 cube. Suppose 1 plus always 1 plus 5 into 4. 5 into 4. Into 3 always. Into 3 always. 1 plus 4 pies are 20. 23s are 60. That is equals to 61. We will try it. 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 pies are 25. 25 pies are 125 minus 4 cube. We already explained. 4 into 4 into 4. 64. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64. So 125 minus 64. Subtract it. 1 6. I got it. Similarly, we can find this type of pattern. Suppose if I taken something like so 19 cube minus 18 cube. Suppose if I have 19 cube minus 18 cube. These two are two consecutive integers. Their cubes, difference between their cubes. Very simple, you can write it down. 1 plus 19 into 18 into 3. That's all. Multiply it and add to 1. We get the answer. Am I clear? This is the interesting pattern. We'll see in the next class how to find cube roots of a given. Okay?